Kaseng New Trip Achik National Movement HANM Southwest Khasi Hills District hakan trik nailur arjar arpulai hapok kajingelam uba Lambok Star Marwen President bat uba Rishans Kem Lingdo Education Secretary ke HANM kilalik banjirip yo way mobile tower jong company Multitech ubadon hagsnong nongna dong Sokai Southwest Khasi Hills hadin bakaseng kalayo ekjing ujor na head mystery uba pentre yo te mobile tower hakabole thu banadu baladap pentre yo te tower ketiga company kam shim la siu ya kapisa jong kinong train na du snem baladep bat hadu mentala don kumbak ndai benai kumta ka seng kalalait banjurip hidalade bat kalabu ik jing maham ya company bat kumju ru ka jing kerpat iki pai pa bakin yai sha shwashipor bat kala ai por shita yau ya company ban siu no kloi ka pisa bai trei hashwa ka khat artrik nailur arjar arpulai bat la raja ba kamla ban siu ka seng kan selit ban khang tala no yu te tawa
Teha ka bani kong ngas ngopan ai kuplay hak ni ka step ko banta na ka banta ka ni ka step ka ba i don ka ni ka kam ka ba kerpang na ka banta ka ba yade bet nu tawar te kalian jonga ngadai kum u head mystery jong unu tawar bla tre ha ka company Multitech company te kat kum ko bangi la yakut bat u nu kontraktor bat kinong bala ba lada kan dika jik tre ni ladap la kalong sibnan arbnai long ka pimen un cash no brok khaj ndrei phose hadu mata ni la pendap na du disembar te hadu unu benai ba mata benai ba phra benai ba khandai ki klam la bat su pimen te na kata kadau nga ha ke jing kulat na mata kinong bala te ngam seban wat di kilat kilenti kumnu panwat di kinong yarau nak banta bengin yo no ya ka hok kum kinong belah te kenapa ngin kekam kan ya baik kan ya enti nak banta ka ba kamiat ya ka bari ka company lene ya ki nong sok chnong hi ong kan ka jaka he brok koi te nga kerpat ya ki khamtami ki seng NGO sebala dor rekat bat ngah ne ka por pan yarap lem lene ban ai jung mut lang ban yarap lem nak banta ki chinge ba ngakum u head mystery bat kinong belah ke cukup por wi semok nang bangin yo no e taka hok ke bangila tristom te nga kerpat ya pi ka kenhun ka seng balang SNM ba kini rap lem yang kam bangi ke du sing nang bangila pan yo ne ka hok na ka banta ka bangila tristom nak banta kinong belah barok hai apa ya dei bat kenika pimen nak mentakan ke baik perlah perokoi no badang sa lo na do nu nai Disembar hadu mentah no kadang sa silak sopo tak tahi ka badang ka liang jong ngakum u misteri mo ngarpat ya u kontraktor ba dei bandio yang ne kejing tre kum Multitech company ba kin suno ya kaneka painong tak mentah jungi kenang ba kin yo ban peniat ban pentulun biang anu tawar ba nom don jing thut ha bede pai ba kisong katha pa ding kinong belarok jo.
So, on behalf of the New Trip Achik National Movement, HANM Southwest Khasi Hills District, we got a complaint from Carmelas Marwen. So, on behalf of the HANM, so we came here on the spot to look for this tower construction, as the head mystery told us that the construction of this tower, the company has to pay the laborers money for the construction of this tower after the completion of this construction. So till now the company has not paid the money, so Carmelos has requested us to help him so that he will get back the money. So as the NGO here, we came to the spot that we demand the company to pay the money within 1 week. That is, now it's from 6 till 12. We give time the company to pay for the money to Carmelos Marwen, and from that, if the company fail to pay the money to him, So on 13 of this month, September 2023, we will come back here and we will ban this tower. So we request the people of this area also to be alert with us and to stay with us to help the people who are working for this construction of this tower to get back the money. So we request the community people from here to be with us, to join hands together with us, so that Pak Carmelos will get back the money until the company paid his money. So we give time, only 1 week. If the company fail for that, we will come here and we will lock this tower. So I think the company will take this responsibility to pay the money to Pak Carmelos so that he will get back the money as he has paid his own sweat to construct this tower and also for the betterment of this society. So we request the company to pay back the money to him. Kaliang jongi ka seng H&M ngilayo ka jing ujor na iba Carmelos Marwen sapang uniu tawar balak senah ni po nong nak dong sokai te na kaliang jongi ngikerpat yaki pajpa bakin ya syak lembar ngi lada dia ai lani lada ka company kamla ban siu ya ka bainong sengi jong iba Carmelos hapok ka kadar terik te ka kalai terik nginwan ban kang talanok ya uniu tawar kenang ba iba Carmelos iniok biang ya ka bainong sengi bat kumjuro ki pajba kinam ban sengeu ai yangi ladang iwan ban kang ya kani ka tawar kenang ba iba Carmelos iniok biang ya ka bainong sengi